everyone! We all know that fishes live in water but they do not drink it, though they cannot live without it. We all also know that fishes breathe through their gills. But do you know that some kind of fishes also cough just like we do? Yes, won't believe, but it's true. The coughing is also called gill purge. Whenever they cough, they look something like this as shown. Comment down below if you too didn't knew this fact ever before. If you like this fact, hit the like button just below, share it with your friends to make knowledge more larger, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.